This is the dig site, where the dreams come true of the secret base. We've got the crew, and we've got the whole crew here. It will be awesome. Prepare your shovel, and buy one if you don't have one. And let's get ready to build the secret base.
That was fun. Hello, my name is John, and I enjoy rap music, football, basketball, baseball, hockey, lacrosse. And yeah, that's it. Hello. I'm Alistair, and I'm one of the crew members.
Earwig! Earwig alert! Earwig alert! Die! 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 Did you get it? Did you get it?
I think so.
Okay, good.
But I hurt my hand in the process.
Oh,
I bent it the wrong way.
oh no. Okay, continue.
We have an injury.
I like building.
That was so cool the way I just threw that and stuck right there.
I didn't capture that.
You gotta be kidding me. Try it then.
You got.
Cut this part out. Just cut this part out.
Okay. Bruh. Okay.
Noise.
This is Pike Gamer.
Hello. My new name in a minute is gonna be Pike Gamer Boy. So you're easier to find me. Because there's a lot of Pike Gamers.
This is Slug Dumpster, but his channel was deleted, but he will try to get it back.
Yes, I will try soon.
So, every single day, search Slug Dumpster. And,
subscribe to me, too. Because I have good content.
Warning, it's hard to find.
Yeah, it's because it got deleted.
Well, even before that.
okay, so what's our plan right now?
I'm going to jump on the shovel to hopefully get it really deep, and then I'm going to use my superhuman strength and fat to pick the stuff up and put it in the pile.
Okay, I see. I'm gonna go review the plan. This is the plan. This is the shed over there. This is a stick and a tarp for the roof. And that's the hole right there. And we are planning on digging through here all the way to the center block. So we're gonna dig all the way to here to that center block. Okay. And it's going to be a trench. It's going to be it's going to be a trench. Yeah, that didn't work, but
This was my idea.
okay. Yes. Let's get back to the dig site. Oh, and by the way, we are so serious. So we're gonna start a time lapse of digging in 3, 2, 1.
Take your shovel, your shovel. How long do you think we've been out here? Hour?
Yeah, probably. Maybe less. So,
Yeah, we're super serious, dude.
yeah, we're so serious.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is going to be the end of episode 1.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. digging nature, digging nature, digging nature. We dig in the nature, digging nature, digging nature. We dig in the nature, digging nature, digging nature, digging nature. We dig